the staff from our university side and also from HDFC side. So this is the introduce
Smart banking.
yeah, this is the initiative for all the faculties and then students. Every year the student intake is increasing and their need is also increasing. We have only earlier only one branch, that Indian Bank, and that is not sufficient. Whenever the admission time as well as the hostel fee payment, all those time, there is a huge rush there. Even though sometimes it is the online payment, there is a huge rush and they are not able to take care of the student, especially student needs. We have roughly 10,000 students now, but they are expecting more facilities, and that's why we have taken the request from the some of the bank whoever has contacted, and we have taken only the scheduled bank request, and we have already SBI we have inaugurated. Now it is HDFC. So this HDFC, even though it looks small, it takes care of even the full branch, whatever the branch person can do, they can do here. We have the both deposit as well as yeah, they can take the money as well as they can deposit here. They have a lobby here, one person always will be sitting here. So you can tell your friends, students, they can utilize this. So some students, they like the different type of culture, and their students may be having the same HDFC there also. So they will, if they want to come, they need not open their account. They can continue here, the bank. That is the logic. We have given more opportunity, and we are also trying to utilize them for the online collect services also. Whoever is inside, we are planning to include them in the online collect. So when the students are paying online, we will give all the options like Indian Bank, then SBI and Axis Bank, and whoever is going to join in this, so that they will also get benefit. And I request the bank staff to take the opportunity to serve more, and our students are all over India, so please take care of their need. So let us not stop with this, so please explore more opportunities. Our university community is very vibrant and they need very international quality services. Please take care of this. If you need any help, our team is really ready to help you. So with this, I thank once again the engineering section who has taken the file movement, all those things to give the permission, and services, hostel and services.